All right, so let's talk about question number 4. And in this question, the function f is defined by okay. Show that. All right, so everyone knows in first chapter we have already learned this idea. Okay, bhai log, what I have to do? Do not try to take LCM. Remember, just factorize the denominator term. 4x minus 3x minus 12 over x plus 4. Do not try to take LCM. Please remember, I already told you in first chapter. That is the advanced part to memorize actually. Now what can I do? X into x plus 4 and then take minus 3 common, then it will remain x plus 4 inside the brackets. So plus 7x over x plus 4. It is 49x. Now x plus 4 into x minus 3. That is the first step which we need to do. I hope you can understand. All right, let me tell you again, do not try to take LCM, those type of questions. Just focus on denominator and simplify if it is possible. Means factorize if it is possible. So just factorize the denominator and then you will get the two brackets. Simple. Now the problem is there is a denominator is x plus 4 and x plus 4, but the problem is I don't have x minus 3 in this denominator. How can you make x minus 3? Obviously you can multiply x minus 3 in the numerator and in the denominator. Why? Because I want to make same denominator. Everyone knows the goal. I want to make some same denominator. So after that, what you will get? So now the numerators can be added. 49x plus 7. Let's shift 7x into inside the bracket. So 7x square minus 21x divided by x plus 4 into x minus 3. So all right. So 7x square, 49x and minus 21x will become how much? I think 28x divided by x plus 4 into x minus 3. So I can take 7x common from the numerator. So x plus 4 will remain inside the bracket because 7 4s are 28. Divided by x plus 4 into x minus 3. They can be cancelled out. So what you will get? Fx equal to 7x divided by x minus 3. That is what we want to show actually in this question. I don't think we have any kind of problem in this question. Very straightforward. This type of question, how can you do this type of question? Do not try to take LCM. In this type of question, just factorize the denominator. At the end, you have to make same denominators and then simplify. You will get the final answer. Always remember. Okay. Let's talk about B part. So in B part, we want to find f dash of x. Yes, but hence means that you have to use the answer of previous part. Let's figure out the f dash of x. F dash of x means derivative. So what can I do? Take the square of denominator and then the leave term of the denominator as it is. Take the derivative of 7x. Everyone knows that is u and that is v. I have to apply quotient rule, but chalo. Simple. How to apply quotient rule? Take the square of denominator and then leave the term of denominator as it is. And then take the derivative of u. u is 7x. Take the derivative of u. 7x, the derivative of 7x is 7x. Then put the minus of formula. Then leave the term of u as it is and take the derivative of v actually. What is v? V is x minus 3. The derivative of v will become, the derivative of x is 1 minus 3, that is 0. So derivative of final answer will be 1 actually. I always prefer, bete, please take the derivative of everything separately like this and then put into the function actually. All right. So let's simplify. 7x minus 7 3s are no 49 minus 7x divided by x minus 3 whole square. It can be cancelled out, so the final answer will become minus 21 over x minus 3 whole square. Just I need to apply bachcha log quotient rule. I need to apply quotient rule. So whenever the two functions are divided with each other, so you have to apply quotient rule simply. How to apply quotient rule? You can check my notes. Okay.